Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. 23rd of October, yeah, 2022. Yeah, it's about minutes past 8. The people that deal with the internet or the underground cable, they was here last night working. Yeah, they was here last night working all night. Yeah, they was working feverishly. Yeah, to see if them can return back internet to this section of the community. And then left one wire up on the road there. I hope it not cause no problem. But them I see if them could have returned back internet. Yeah, I passed here last night after 10 I see them bus, van, car, truck. Yeah, them see if them can replace the cable. Them see if them can replace the cable where the underground cable where we get damaged. Yeah, so them maybe them do a, what I call that now, like a bypass. It look like them do a bypass system. Yeah, but see them left one length of cable on the road there. So them go underground and them drawed some cables from under the ground. And I don't know, them must be feeding back a new cable back into the system. Yeah, so I don't know, soon all of this going to connect up. But I hope the system connect up back very soon, that the people them in our East Prospect can get back them internet. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Somebody out here on the road, it's a beautiful Sunday morning, you know. Me not tell no lie. St. Thomas nice. For real. Just need to get this road headache out of the way. Trust me, St. Thomas nice. Yeah man, the morning, let me say, minutes past 8. And the sun, let me go around and see. The sky have a little bit cloudy, so this is the sun kinda the sun not all that up fully, but you understand? But you don't know after 8, you know, normally you see the sun. And we just taking a walk on the road and just giving you an update of my beautiful community, East Prospect. Out here in East Prospect. Yeah, my viewers, so a lot of work going last night with the people that repair cables. You can see some cable here along the roadside. Yeah, some whole heap of them that have to fish out a lot of cables, because if you watch my videos before, you would have seen where the workman, the people that deal with the water pipes and all these things, it look like them go too low with the bucket and burst one of the underground cable. Got too low with the tractor, and it seems like them burst. Them damage the underground cable. And if you can see now, a whole heap of cable draw out and a lot of cable replace. But say this to say that, my viewers and sub, I don't really like how them draw the cable them now. I feel them should have take up them all one year. And maybe them might come back a late. Last night them did a work, you know. Maybe them might come back during the course of the day to take them up. You understand? But you know, cable tend to be dangerous. And all them look away there and stuff. So I want them come back, come get it sorted out. I don't know what kind of cable them I use. I mean, maybe it burst down and all these things, but a lot of work was taking place last night out here, and on the internet, because the internet is down. Yeah, my viewers and sub, so you don't know. Maybe that's why the team come last night to get the thing put back together. But I guess that's about it, my viewers and sub. East Prospect is nice and looking good. Yeah. And we give thanks for this beautiful Sunday morning out in East Prospect, and we just hope them work speedily and get everything up to date. Alright, for now, Big Super on the road, just taking a look at what's going on. Remember, if you're new to my channel and you need to get constant update, make sure you press that subscribe button. Remember to like the video after watching it, or before even watching it, like the video. Remember also to share it, because caring is sharing. So share my video and leave a comment and let me know how my channel doing. For now, Big Super out in a beautiful, beautiful East Prospect. Some people call this community the Beverly Hills of St. Thomas. Peace out.